How you can lose weight while sitting long hours at your desk in 4 easy steps. You're busy, you work long hours sitting, it's stressful, you have maybe a family that takes up too much of your time. Unfortunately, these are all things which always gonna be in your life, but there's still one problem that you need to solve. It's losing weight, right? So how do you do it? I'm gonna share 4 simple steps, starting with step number 1, which is calorie deficit and diet. So maybe in the past you have tried different diets like keto, intermittent fasting, low carb, Jewish diet, and name any diet which you have tried in the past. Maybe it provided some short-term results, which is great, but probably it wasn't sustainable or you didn't enjoy because it was like so fixed and you didn't have the flexibility. Here's the thing, it's not about diet, it's all about calorie deficit, because you can eat McDonald's, you can eat KFC, but as long as you are in calorie deficit, you're gonna lose weight. However, I'm not suggesting now to eat KFC or McDonald's because it's not healthy approach, because those foods just gonna make you like less tired, hard to sustain that diet, of course. But knowing your calorie deficit is the number 1 key, guys, for your weight loss journey. And if you don't have any idea about how to be in calorie deficit or what are your calorie deficit numbers, it's gonna be hard to progress and see the results you wish. So how do you be in calorie deficit? It's actually very simple. Just go in, like, let's say Google, type total daily energy expenditure calculator, enter your measurements, and it's gonna calculate your daily energy expenditure base. Now, I'm not saying that is the most precise way to do it, because in our system, a holistic health performance system, we calculate that base for you, but we also take it like expenditure range for you as well. And what is expenditure? It's like the calories you burn in your day, right? So you go to work, you would maybe go to the gym already, which is great, and you do like some activities, and basically we take those calories and we also take the base calories, and then we know really exactly where's your calorie deficit. But as I said, first you can just calculate your base calorie in a free calculator, which is gonna be a great way for the start on your weight loss journey. So step number 2 is workout session or the training plan. Probably you have tried in the past going to the gym, but you didn't had any plan. Maybe you did long cardio sessions, or you went to the gym and on the spot you thought, what I'm gonna train today, which is definitely not the most efficient way how to do it. Or maybe the second version, you have done some training plan in the past, which was like one size fit approach, which you maybe did like from like training app or other coach, but that was like more one size fit, which is for everyone, but that wasn't for you, because maybe it was like 6 times a week training plan, like a bro split, training 2 hours in one session, which was not sustainable for you, especially with your demanding job. In our holistic health system, our clients typically does 2 to 3 times full body gym sessions, and they are in and out of the gym in 45 to 60 minutes, which I think is the most efficient way to train, especially on a busy schedule like you. And step number 3, it's all about movement. Maybe you are the type of person who doesn't enjoy going to the gym, or you haven't been going to the gym, and that's totally okay. It's not about going to the gym and training hard. It's all about being, again, in calorie deficit, which is the number 1 and most important thing. And when you like prioritize calorie deficit and having like movement in your day, and movement, I'm saying like that could be any type of movement. Maybe you enjoy like walks, then try to get 8 to 10,000 steps in your day. Maybe you enjoy like cycling, do cycling. Maybe you enjoy like tennis, basketball, swimming, and trying to incorporate more that movement in your day. When you have the possibility with the calorie deficit, that will be the most important thing in your weight loss journey. And if you are just sitting all day at your desk, not moving, then it's really gonna be a problem to achieve your health goals or weight loss goals. And there where it comes then step number 4, it's all about work-life balance. It's about your routine, because yeah, your job is demanding, you have to sit long hours at the desk, and you don't have time as much you would like. But here's the thing, there are more busier people than you. Let's look at like entrepreneurs, business owners, they are way more busier than you, but how do they get things done? Here's the thing, they are like scheduling, making sure planning their day right. And that's why also in our holistic health system, we have these like strategy calls where we like sit down with our clients and make sure that we schedule their day really efficient, like in a working blocks. Let's be honest, it's not really efficient to work 8 hours just sitting, right? That's why you want to divide your day. Let's say you work 2 hours, you take half an hour break, you maybe go for half an hour like walk or do something you enjoy, then work again 2 hours hours, and like you repeat this cycle, which is gonna be way more efficient than just working 8 hours sitting in your day. These were the 4 most important steps. So if you feel like you're lacking and you don't know your calorie deficit, you don't have a personalized plan, you don't know how to have more movement in your day, you feel like your routine is lacking, you feel like you don't have the consistency or motivation, then book a call, link in bio, which is free health assessment call. I'm gonna ask you a couple health questions to make sure that this holistic health system is right for you. As for also any questions you have, and if you don't decide to go for a call, that's also totally okay. Then enjoy my free content here in YouTube, or go to my Instagram page where I also have a lot of like tips and tricks how to be the most healthiest version of yourself, even if you sit long hours at your desk. And if you have any questions or you have any like topics that you would like that I cover, then leave a comment below. I would gladly do that, and I see you in the next video.